So remember, if we have an infinite geometric series, we've got that formula, but it only works when? When our common ratio is between -1 and 1. So let's look at number 20. What is my first term? And what is the common ratio? Well, it's the second term divided by the first, right? So it is 1/4. Will this infinite geometric series have a sum? Yes, because our numbers are going to get smaller each time we multiply by 1/4. And you can see that just in the 4 numbers that they have written there.
So as long as the ratio is between -1 and 1, you can do that?
Yes. As long as our common ratio is between -1 and +1, we can find the sum of the series even though it keeps going. So we have our first term, which we said was 1 over 1 minus our r, which is 1/4. Four thirds.
Then what did I do wrong?
Did you put this in parentheses? No.
I put the 1 divided by 4 in parentheses.
Yes, but you have to tell your calculator that the 1 minus the 1/4 is all on bottom together. Because what it is this becomes 1 over, this is 3/4, and remember, keep it, change it, flip it.
I got it now.
So 1 times 4 over 3. That's how your calculator does it. Right?
1/4 over 1.
Say it again.
On the ratio.
Oh, because it's my second term divided by my first term.
Oh,
That's the formula for it. So it's
okay,
second term
That's
divided by the
a
first
good
term.
Example. I never did it though. I just did it in my head. Like, I don't know.
All right, so we did get 4 thirds. And we can check that. If we tried to add our numbers and we kept going, we would see that it's just going to get closer and closer and closer to that 4 thirds. All right, so look at number 21 there. What is our first term? And what is our common ratio? Yeah, so nothing else. Keep it, change it, flip it. Put that 5 on bottom over 1. So you got 5, 6 times 1 over 5, which is, what, 1 over 6? So can I find the sum of this infinite geometric series? Yes, because my common ratio is between -1 and +1. All right, so the sum is equal to the first term divided by 1 minus r. Don't forget to put that 1 minus 1, 6 if you're using your calculator.
You keep writing S in. Oh my gosh.
I did too.
Sitting on my last nerd. I might have to just start reading it.
All right, and then 22. What is your first term? And what is your common ratio? -1 over 3, right? Because the second term divided by the first term. So can I...
But wait, it says 3 minus 1 plus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 9.
So it's alternating positive and negative.
I thought 3 minus 1 was the whole first.
Oh, no. Because remember, minus is the same as plus and negative. So they could have wrote it as 3 plus a -1 plus 1 over 3 plus a -1 over 9, okay? So we found that our common ratio is -1/3. Can I find the sum of this infinite geometric series? Is my r value between -1 and +1?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So think about your number line.
I don't want to think about it.
-1/3 is somewhere like right there, isn't it? So it's in between them. So we can. So be careful though, because remember it's 1 minus a -1/3, okay?
She wouldn't give us an easier problem than these two. She's not going to let us not have a solution, or whatever you call it.
Are you okay?
So is it 9 divided by 4? 9/4.
I need to practice.
Yes.
I haven't been fighting in adults.
Or I got 2.25 when I just put it in my calculator. Either way.